Welcome back to Hydrogen Hype. I'm your host Mike, and today we're talking with RotH2, a company that's leading the way in mobile hydrogen storage. Let's see what they have to say. I'm here with Maxime.
Yes, nice to meet
And
you.
you're from
RotH2.
This company is based around hydrogen storage. We have a fantastic display of a drone right here and a refueling station for that drone. Can you tell us a little bit about your products?
Yes, sure. So our main factory business is manufacturing cylinders. We assemble them to make bundles for different applications, a refueling station, production center, or storage for energy ingestion of some building, industrial building. And we also, because we have many experience in pressure system, we decided to develop a special station for drone. So it helps the client to bring the drone in the middle of the field, have 3 times more autonomy than any other drone, and also to have a 5-minute refueling.
5-minute refueling?
Yeah, exactly.
And if I remember correctly, in this industry, everybody is interested in how fast you can do the refueling,
Exactly.
right?
This is the main question and the main concern for everybody.
Yeah.
So the cylinders of the drone is quite small, but regarding the temperature of refueling, we have to make the projection, and 5 minutes was the best timing we could achieve with a small refueling station like this one. The goal was to have something compact and very light, also to be bring in the middle of the field or some places like this. Because it's the drone are made to make surveillance on the electric line or military site or like this. So you need to have access to different places which are sometimes very difficult to access.
Do you feel partnerships in the hydrogen industry are very important, and how do you see the industry building market?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think partnership are very important because what we saw is that many people want to do some business in the H2 market. They have some expertise in some part of the H2 production or H2 refueling station, and sometimes they might take some specific configuration not seriously. And for example, it's, in my opinion, very important to bring these people our knowledge about the storage, and some people bring their knowledge from another technology, from fuel stack or something like this. So for me, it's very, very important because most companies are specific in one part of the H2 production or H2 market and not everything. So in order to develop a good product which is have a good design and perfectly optimized for the application, in my opinion, it's very good to make it. For example, we made another one partnership with a bike manufacturer, H2 bike manufacturer, and we also developed a refueling station for them. And it was also very fun to do because
it's a unique application,
exactly,
right?
Making bike for the city, for the other people, it was very fun. And we see this as a very growing market. More and more cities are interested to replace the actual bike by H2 bike. So it's very cool.
Nice. Maxime, nice to meet you. It's fantastic to hear about your company. I'm going to come back maybe in a little bit. I have a little hydrogen trivia question. All right, we're back with the question. All right, Maxime, can you guess approximately how efficient a PEM hydrogen fuel cell is?
In percentage?
In percentage.
60-65%.
You're right on the money, actually. It's right around. There's a variation because it depends on the company, but it's between 40 and 60%.
Okay.
So, fantastic job. Thank you very much again for your time.
Thank you very
Enjoy
much.
the rest of the day, and see you soon.
See you very soon.